Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily switch from light mode to dark mode using Figma variables. So here is a quick demo of what we'll be creating. Let's dive in. I'll create my color variables. So to do that, I'll click on local variables and click on colors. Then I'll go ahead and name this side menu. You can name your local variables with names that you can remember so you don't get confused along the line. So I'll go ahead and add another color and I'll name it background. That's my frame background color, which is FC, FC, FC. Then I will add another color and this would be black. So what we are basically doing here is adding all the colors we used in our design to the local variables. So I'll go ahead and make this video play faster since I have much colors, so we don't waste much time. Yeah, I'm done setting my color variables. So I'll click on the dashboard. So I'll go ahead and click on the dashboard and connect all the colors that I've created on the local variables to the frame by clicking on the 4 dots and connecting each color to the frame. So now that I am done connecting all my colors, I'll click on the local variable and click on the plus button. Let me drag this for a clearer view. I will rename this dark mode and name this light mode. So now what we'll be doing here is everything that is white and black on the light mode will be black and white in the dark mode. So I would give this side menu color 434343 and background color would be 2C 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 and the gray would be D5 D5 D5. And I'll leave these colors just like this. Now let's see what we have done. Frame, come to appearance, click on collection and then click on dark mode. So here is the outcome, but I noticed something here. The text here is supposed to be white and not black. So I'll click on that to check where the problem is coming from, and here it's connected to the side menu. So I would create another variable and call it white test. So once I'm done here, I would quickly connect the text to the I will connect the color to the text and see the result it gives us. And yes, the changes has been made. And also notice here that the bottle here is the text in that bottle is supposed to be white and not black. I'll also connect that to the white text that I've created. And voila, we have our dark mode section. I also want to simultaneously switch from light to dark mode. So I'll come down to appearance and click on the bottle right there and click on auto. That way I could switch easily from the top. Without selecting the frame, I could just switch that to light mode and then switch it back to dark mode. Please, if you found my video helpful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Tell me what kind of videos you want me to create, kind of videos you want me to share here. Thank you so much for watching. Adios.